Hello, today I'm in Volvo V60. In this video I'll show you how to manage cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the cruise control panel. Simply press this button to activate cruise control. Now accelerate to desired speed and press minus button to start cruise control. Now you can let go of the acceleration pedal, and to increase the speed press plus button. To decrease it, press minus button. To pause it, press 0. To start it from the current speed, press minus. To start it from the first set speed, press plus. To restart it, press this button. To disable cruise control, press this button again and the icon is gone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.